There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey. What's up you guys? What's up divas, divos, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl April. So this is the first time for me ever doing a video tutorial for this company, but you can find them on AliExpress. Now AliExpress got everything. Girl, I really do like AliExpress. I bought plenty of my supplies from AliExpress. So with AliExpress, the shipping is pretty decent and pretty quick, especially when you're purchasing hair. And it's just an amazing experience to where you can find affordable vendors that are to your liking. So this one right here is from a company by the name of Wow Wear Wig. And I do like the fact that the curls are juicy, and it's also a 13x4 lace frontal. So as for this unit, it does come with a removable band, which is amazing. I do like to keep these in, and it's also adjustable. It also has the combs, and I do like the middle comb right here because it can anchor onto your braids or onto your hair, and it also helps with non-slipping back. And then you do have the temple combs and the nape comb and the adjustable straps as well. So I did take the liberty of bleaching this unit. The bleaching of the knots was simple. I didn't leave it on for too long because the hair was already processed, and I did use and follow up with a purple shampoo by L'Oreal. So we're going to just get into this video. I'm going to show you the units. I'm going to show you where it came from, how it came to me, and we're just going to install it and be about our business. So let's get into it.
Ooh, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up light die? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get off your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up light die? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Okay, y'all. So while we're wig, okay, this is like, okay. So for one, I did forget to pluck the hairline. Like when I tell y'all I forgot to pluck the hairline, girl, I don't even know how I forgot, but it was looking like natural. However, I did get around that, okay, by just making the hair in the front just stand up instead of laying it down. I just feel like if you lay the hair flat in the front, like you know how you smooth it down, like you know what I'm saying, like you brush it back like that. Sometimes when you do that, it just gives more attention to how thick it is. And it's like a little bit thicker in the front. You really don't want to brush it down because it's really going to show, right? So what I do is to avoid that, I just take the hair and I push the hairs towards the front. So that way it looks like it's standing up, it's growing up out of my root, and then it does take away and it kind of like camouflages it. I want to say it just doesn't make it so noticeable. Of course, I did put some concealer. I used my Fenty concealer, which is number 300, color number 300. And then I did go in and kind of like dap some of my pressed powder in the front area. Now, the redness and all of this around here is not makeup. It's sunburn. Yeah, it's sunburn. I got sunburn hanging out. So I look like I have on makeup right here, but it's actually sunburn. I did use you know, skin protector. Oh, the wig is cute. It's a lot of hair. It's very full. It's a 13 by 4. So this is the amount of parting space that you're going to get. But as you guys see, it's kind of like almost like a flip over. It's reminding me, it's giving me Beyonce vibes. Like, so if you're looking for a dupe of any type of Beyonce inspired hair that's this color, then this will definitely get you there. It's definitely giving me that look and that vibe, especially when it's curly and wild. And I'm wondering, what would it look like if I like tamed the curls? I really think like it looks good, this puffy and big. Does it fit well? It definitely does. I'm really glad that there is an elastic band in it. Is the lace transparent? Well, listen, here's the thing. You got to work with the lace, girl. It's not as transparent as you would like. Not Swiss, but is it workable? It's definitely workable. This one will definitely have you taking your time. So if you a novice and you new at doing wigs and you have never experienced a lace front wig, then I would try to do something much more easier. This one is going to need to be pre-plucked. You also need to know how to, you know, tame curly hair. I'm wondering like how would this look if it was, you know, just straightened. It's also more or less it's giving me like Mariah Carey vibes, okay? And to me, Mariah Carey is everything. She's a legend. I love her to pieces. Been down with her since day one. So this is definitely making me feel like I'm Mariah Carey vibes, okay? It can do both depending on who you like the most, okay? Now, listen, this hair came out quality. You just got to work with it. Okay. I like the length. The density is decent. And the color, like they did a really good job with the highlighting the color. So I ain't even going to front. All right, you guys. So I'm back again. This is 5 days later after the first install, and I really wanted to see what the hair would look like a lot more relaxed. I said, you know what? Let me rewash the unit because when I put it on and you know I have to style it and cut it and everything, the hair gets a little bit wild. So I did go ahead and condition it, you know, and co-wash it and such like that, and I reinstalled it. So we're gonna see what it looked like today, a little bit more relaxed, okay? While Wear Wig, also known as MAXGLAM on their AliExpress store, will be having a pop-up August 19th through the 20th in Los Angeles, and I will definitely place the information, the location, and the times. Along with that, August 22nd to the 23rd in Santa Monica, and the 25th to the 27th in Glendale Galleria. I will also post all of the information below. You will have a chance to win some prizes, which would be some great AliExpress discount coupons. Along with that, some really other great prizes. I like it both ways. I like it that wild, carefree look, like, you know, divalicious. It's giving me Beyonce vibes. And this way, I like it too because it's calm. You know, this is the calm before the storm, girl. So I like it both ways, but I really like the color a lot. They gave some really nice tones. They also gave some really nice juicy curls. So you can definitely play around with this unit. You can put it behind your ear. You can pin it up. You can probably flat iron it. It might take a little bit longer because it's curly, but there are so many different options that you can do with this unit. Plus, it fits really great. I did need to pre-pluck it, but I didn't get a chance to. So because it's not even pre-plucked, I think it still looks decent, especially at the hairline and the areas where I just had to play around and manipulate the sides. But other than that, you can check out Where I Wear Wig. I will list all of their information down below. You already know it's your girl April, and she got to go. But I'll definitely see y'all in the comments and in another video.